Tinytag data loggers need Tinytag Explorer software, an easy-to-use Windows program to configure them and to display recorded data. Tinytag Explorer is quick to set up, simple to use, and versatile in terms of how recorded data is presented. The software is supplied on a site license, allowing installation on multiple computers at the same location. Tinytag Explorer is designed to be user-friendly. Help can be found in the accompanying Quick Start Guide, and the software has a fully illustrated help file. To get started, firstly install the software. There will be a welcome screen, followed by step-by-step on-screen instructions on how to proceed with the installation. Once the software is installed, the first time you run it, you will be asked to enter an activation code. This can be found on the back of the CD case. Next, connect the logger to the computer. Depending on the type of logger, this is done with either a USB cable from the logger to the PC or by placing the logger on a USB inductive pad which connects to the computer. The logger is now ready to set up. Click on the launch icon. The first time you start the logger, you will see a basic settings view. Here you can enter a description for your logging run and set the logging interval, that is, the time between each reading. The logger is now ready using these basic settings, but further options to suit specific requirements may be selected by clicking the Advanced Settings button. Here you can delay the start of the recording until a specified time, record maximum and minimum readings during a logging period, select options for stopping recording, and set an alarm indication if readings fall outside a user-defined range. When you are happy with the settings, click Launch. You will see a summary of the settings which you can add comments to and print if required. Once this is done, the logger is ready to be positioned where it is going to record. When you wish to view the recorded data, connect it to the computer and click the Get Data option. Data from the logger is initially displayed as a graph that automatically scales itself to a suitable range for the data recorded. Data can also be displayed as a table of readings, as summary information, and as a table of daily minimum and maximum readings. These views are all linked, and a set of zoom options that allow more detailed viewing of interesting data on a graph will automatically update the other views as the zoom range is changed. Aspects of the graph view may be changed, such as the colour of the traces or the name or scale of the axes. If you are only interested in viewing a certain section of the data, you can mask the rest using the Top and Tail tool. To present an integrated view of environmental conditions, data from multiple loggers or logging runs can be combined into the same graph using an overlay feature. For example, this could combine data from a temperature logger and a relative humidity logger into one graph. This enables you to see the effect of one property on another. The data downloaded from each logger can be saved to your computer by clicking on the Save icon. Data can also be exported as a file in various formats or by using copy and paste for use in other programs. Graphs can be exported as images for use in reports, and the table of readings and summary views can be exported as tables for use in a spreadsheet or a third-party database. If you are using a data logger that has been calibrated, you can set a reminder to prompt you when your logger needs to be checked again. If you just want to spot check the logger's current readings, there is an option to do this. A pop-up window will open showing the logger's current readings and battery status, which will be regularly refreshed. Other features of Tinytag Explorer include the bulk logger tool to start, stop, get data from, and view the current readings of multiple data loggers at the same time. This can significantly reduce the time needed to manage multiple loggers. The first data logger is configured, and then successive units are programmed with the same settings. The configuration only has to be entered once. Loggers can be programmed or offloaded in turn using a cable or inductive pad. Alternatively, multiple cables or pads can be connected to a computer through a USB hub, allowing larger numbers to be worked with simultaneously. The bulk logger tool can save data from loggers in different file formats for use in other programs. If you are considering using the Tinytag radio data logging system, further information about how it works and how the loggers are managed in Tinytag Explorer software can be found in a short video on our website. Tinytag Explorer is an easy-to-use tool allowing simple and effective management of your Tinytag data loggers. For further information about Tinytag data loggers, Tinytag Explorer, and how to download a demo version, visit www.tinytag.info, email sales@tinytag.info, or call 01243 813 000.